snowfall. The terrain has become absolutely slippery. Mr. John is stuck in mid of the mountain. Did he make it to the top? Did he at least survive? Let's listen to the story. Once upon a time, there was a big mountain and there were group of mountaineers. You all know who a mountaineer is? Absolutely. A mountaineer is someone who climbs onto a mountain. There were a group of mountaineers and all of them thought that they should climb onto this big mountain, touch the green flag and come back. The green flag was so beautiful. They always dreamt of this green flag that signifies the victory. So all these mountaineers always wished that they should go on to the top, touch the green flag. All of them went to sleep. The morning has come, the sun has come. They all should start their travel now. They all were busy packing their packs. They had headlights, shoes, they had a helmet, they had some spectacles, many things that they needed for the travel. They have packed everything and all set for the travel. They just started their journey. They just started, no? So they were super energetic. They kept on climbing. They never saw that how long they have come so far. They kept on climbing. After a few days, it started to snow. A heavy snowfall. The terrain is very slippery now. They are not able to put just one step ahead. Mr. John is feeling very bad. Even his health is not good. You know, the food and water that he carried is also over. John is very sad. He just sat like this without any hope. And all the other mountaineers also felt very sad for him. They all would come to John and say, John, that's okay. If not now, you'll be able to do this some other time. Why don't you go back home? Why are you taking so much of risk? Your health is also not good. Definitely you'll not be able to make it to the top. Please, go back now. And the other mountaineers told him, John, you have come until now. You must be there in another few days. Just rest for another 2-3 days, no? You must be okay. And then come. You will be there. But John didn't have that courage or hope to move any further. He just stayed there without talking anything. And he's also not feeling well, no? So he just sat. Now, one mountaineer called Mr. Sohan came to John and said, John, my friend, don't worry. I'll be there with you. That's okay if I'm not climbing so fast and reaching there very soon. I'll be there for you. Both of us will try after few days. And now, John was clueless. He didn't even know who Sohan is that much. And he thought, Hey, Sohan, you wanted to wait for me? See, all these days I saw you. You kept climbing very fastly. And I know that I was very slow. And I even don't know if I could survive or not. And you're there to help me? This is really surprising. Why did you make this decision? Sohan just smiled and said, Hey John, all of us started our travel together. I'll be more happy if both of us could make it to the top rather just me going there. That's okay. I'll wait for you. And they would bid bye to all the other mountaineers. And all the other mountaineers would tell them to take care and they would start their journey. They would start climbing very fastly. Sohan and John are left there. Now Sohan would give some food and water to John. John, you didn't have anything for so long, no? You didn't even tell me that your food is over. Come, eat some food, have some water, take some rest. You'll be better tomorrow. And by next day, Sohan and John are feeling good because John felt little better. Also, he has picked up some hope to go further. and they would just think that, dear, let's start our journey. Let's see how far we can go. Let's just keep moving. And now they would start their journey. The little steps with the little hope. They would start climbing a little ahead. And after a few days, they are very close to their destiny. What do you all think? Did they make it to the top? Absolutely yes, because they never gave up. They never minded if they are walking slowly or if they are climbing fastly. The others' opinions or the judgments that they made on them never mattered to them. They kept on climbing when it was nice out there. They kept on climbing when it was raining. They kept on climbing even when it is snowing out there. But they kept on climbing. And these little steps that they have put ahead reached them to the top. And all these days they dreamt of the beautiful green flag. And that day, when they're very close to that green flag, when they're just about to touch the green flag, Mr. John had tears of joy in his eyes. Sohan would ask John, "Friend, we are here. How do you feel now?" And John is just speechless. He's so happy. This victory that he's feeling right now is something that he felt very impossible few days before. He just thought that I would have been there as a loser, as somebody without any hope. But Sohan, this is all because of you. If you have not supported me, I wouldn't have made this. Many a times in life, we would need a helping hand. And many a times in life, we will have an opportunity to help others. The never give up attitude and a little support that we give could create a miracle to somebody's life. Have you ever thought of giving up something and still thinking of it? Then please do write to us in the comments. Also, we do have a lot coming up for you, so kindly stay tuned to Story Labs.